Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Instagram story comments. Now, this is a new feature, so make sure you have the updated version of Instagram to be able to use it. So once you're here in Instagram, you can go ahead and click on the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Once you're in here, you can click on the top right corner to go into settings and activity. Under here, you can scroll down and see an option where it says comments. It's right here under tags and mentions. Just click on it. Now you will see that there's this option where you can select who can comment on your stories. So just click on stories and then make sure you click on everyone. Once you have enabled this feature, you can now access it. So you can basically have people come into your stories and add comments. If you're not sure on what they are, well, this is how they look like. I have this person right here. I click on their story and you can see on the bottom left corner here, you can add a comment. There you go. Click on OK and add a comment. Once you've added the comment, it will show up on their story like this. Yeah, this is a relatively new feature. Once you've enabled it, this is how you can use it. So yeah, hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.